Just got to the Lapu-Lapu outlets right now. First up, we're gonna hit up the Nike store, or Nike outlet, Nike clearance store, and then we're gonna go over to the Adidas outlet. Now, the last time we were here, the Nike outlet was popping, and then the Adidas outlet was absolute trash. So hopefully they're both good today. Here's a look at the Jordans and basketball sneakers that they have. The discounts aren't as big as they were last time. I think these might have been 50 off last time, but I'm not sure. We got the same shoes as before. Nothing crazy sticking out to me right now. Let's actually start off with some of the women's stuff first, and then we'll make our way over to the guys. So the women's stuff in the larger sizes. I think this might be one of the cooler sneakers that we see today. We got the Nike sock darts in this like aqua teal kind of color, and these are going for 1,895 pesos. So I'll have the conversions come up on screen, but that's 70% off. Ooh, I thought these were some Flyknit trainers for a second, but not quite. I'm not sure what these are. They are the free transform Flyknits for 3,795 pesos. Blazer Lows SE Premium in this black patent leather color scheme. This right here is a bulky beast of a sneaker. They have the Nike Air More Money LX for 6,475 pesos. White with this sort of like iridescent overlay on the leather panels here on the side. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I mess with them. Dang, it looks like they have another colorway of the Air More Moneys. They have this black color scheme with that same sort of iridescent material. Reminds me of the Air Force One lows that I sometimes see at the outlets. And yeah, these are pretty cool as well. How much are these going for? 6,475 pesos. These are the actual Air Force Ones I was talking about. The women's Air Force One LX going for 4,795 pesos. That's under $100. And I really like these. If these came out in men's sizing, I'd seriously consider buying them. One thing I also forgot to mention is that all the prices that I show you guys right now, all have tax included into the price. So it saves all the guesswork out of guessing the right price after tax. It's just right there in front of you. I wish more countries would do that, because it saves the hassle of trying to figure out how much you're actually going to pay for an item. Why isn't this a more common thing? Anyways, here's a look at more of the Air Force Ones. They got some Flyknit Air Force Ones for 5,695. They have an Oreo colorway of the same, and then a multi-knit colorway that's really dark. These are so light though. These are like 3 pounds. These are pretty wild. They're like a denim Air Force One low. And the materials they use are very unique. They have like denim on the upper here, and then you have these like sequences making a flower print on the upper. Really cool. And then if you look on the inside, it has that like luxurious chenille material for the lining part. So really unique Air Force One. And if you're a lady looking for some boots, the boots in the Philippines are always heavily discounted. Check this out. Retail price of 11,245 pesos, and now it's going for 3,265. That's some steep discounts of 70%. So they have this first colorway, it's like a burgundy patent leather one, and then they have this black one here, which is super simple, and you just can't go wrong with these. These are 3,195 pesos. All right, let's wrap up with the Jordans for the smaller sizes. I don't think there's anything different compared to the last time we were here, so let's just quickly run through it for you guys. We have some Lebrons for 5,095, really clean. They have a bunch of youth sizing. They have some 3s. They got the history of Flight 13s. These are new. I don't think I recognize these, going for 5,795. These are going for a straight up steal for 3,595 pesos. We got some Air Jordan 1 selection with the Flyknit Reds. We got the Shadows as well, and of course we have some classic black leather ones, the Desert Camo 5s, and then we have the Carmine, not Carmine, we have the Gatorade S6s. Now these are going for 3,695. It's a really good price, and these are actually going for 4,295. Shadow ones for 3,695, and Flyknit Reds for 3,495. So now we're gonna check out the men's sizes for the Jordans, and there honestly isn't too much that has changed since the last trip, unfortunately, but this is honestly one of the best steals in terms of like discounts you can get at the Nike outlet. This is 70% off a premium Air Jordan 5. They come in this box right here, the Pinnacle 5s, and it has like this babe kind of look to it with the shark faces or shark teeth on it. And retail price was 18,895 pesos, and at a discounted price now of 5,595. That's just around $100, and I think without tax that would be under $100. So that's a crazy discounts. Pinnacle Air Jordan 5s. The leather quality on these is just straight up bananas. These are really top-notch quality. considering the high retail price. It better be high quality. At first you would think this is like a simple clean paper white colorway, but it's actually more of like a light gray. But with it being a light gray, it's not really a color scheme I'm a huge fan of. But you guys can see there is some differences between these and a regular Jordan 5. They have this like leather woven panel on the side compared to that like mesh we're used to seeing. They also have this like triangle little lace lock patch thing going on there as well. Usually it's like a little plastic nub. And then we have rope laces, and we don't usually see that on Jordan 5s as well. Even look at the tongue on the inside under the laces. They have this woven leather thing that's also the same kind of look that's on the side right here. So that's really cool. But here's a look at the other Jordans that they have. We got these 9s going for 7,495 pesos. These 16s going for half price, 5,975. We got some foams for 8,995. And all of the Flyknit Royals are actually going for under that $100 price point, which is awesome. These are going for 4,495 pesos, down from 9,000, so half price on these Flyknit Royal ones. A great pickup if you were trying to hunt for the Royal ones, but you didn't want to pay those high resale prices for that leather material. So the Flyknits are definitely a good option if you're on a tighter budget. We also have the Shadows as well. Not as big of a discount, going for 6,285, and really clean colorway as well. I think I'd prefer the Shadows over the Royals in my opinion. Got the Gatorade ones here for 4,765 pesos. That's a 45% discount. Then they also have them in the blue colorways as well. I like that Gatorade touch on the outsole. Really cool, really clean. Then we also have the purple, and we also have this like neon yellow as well. If you guys did make it to this far in the video, comment down below your favorite Gatorade flavor. Personally, I'm a huge fan of that white cherry. I think it's called the Arctic Frozen or something like that. It's like a cherry flavored Gatorade that's white. I like that one a lot. I also love the cool blue, or storm blue. I like the blue Gatorade too. Comment down below your favorite Gatorade flavor. And last but not least, this is straight up heat. They have some of the Jordan 6 Gatorades in a lot of sizing still. These are going for 30% off. So regularly priced at 9,445 pesos. Now they're going for 6,595. And these are actually really surprising for me to see sitting. They have some of these blues, blue 6s. I think they were the UNCs, or I forget what the exact name is, Sport Blue or UNC. But they have these in a size 11, 12, and 13. And they have them for 20% off. So it's going for 7,495, down from 9,445. And then these are, no surprise that they're sitting, but they have them for a discount of 30% off, 6,595, down from 9,445. Definitely a fan of these Nike Zoom Kady 11s. Retail price was 7,645. Now they're 20% off, going for 6,095 pesos. I like the laces on these. And these are the latest addition to the retros that they have. Regularly priced at 9,445 pesos. They're going for 7,495. They're like weird. They're blue on one side and then they're red on the other. Not too crazy about these ones. Now we're gonna go through the hash wall and the other shelves of GR releases, and maybe we'll find some heat. So let's check out the other shoes that they have at the Nike outlet, and then we're gonna head over to the Adidas outlet. So in the size 12 section, they got some of these Wheat Air Jordan 1s. I know some people have seen these at other Nike outlets. This is a pretty decent find, I have to say. And they are going for 5,175 pesos, down from 8,095. And also, quick shout out to the Nike employees at this store. One actually came up to me and said they watched the first Nike outlet vlog we did here in Lapu-Lapu like 2 weeks ago. So shout out to her, she was really cool. They still have these in a lot of sizes. I would definitely recommend you guys check these out. This is a straight up steal, going for 2,995 pesos. This black and white Air Force One mid. This will go with every single outfit you wear, and for 3,000 pesos, how do you say no to that? This is cool. They have the Nike Cortez Ultra Moire 2s. I'm not used to the Nike Cortez looking like this. This looks like a really cool, unique twist to the Nike Cortez, and these are going for 3,895 pesos, down from 5,585. They got these beautiful, beautiful Air Jordan 1s. Oh my, let me show you guys these for a second, because these are straight up fire. So these are like the Air Jordan 1 creams, and they have a slight touch of red right there on the tongue with that Nike Air. We also got some red laces included with them, and the quality on these are just so nice. Some people have actually said they're really close in quality to the shattered backboard ones, so I'm surprised to find these at the outlet, but this is a good colorway. It's going to go with pretty much every outfit as well, and these are going for a discounted price of $6,475 down from $8,100. Size 11 though, so sadly too big for me. And they actually have a size 11.5 here as well. They have a ton of Nike SFAF1 boots just like last time. I think this is the new one that they added to their roster. Black with the black tiger camouflage on the side right there. These are going for 4,895 pesos down from 9,900, and I've already shown you guys these ones before, but these are going for 3,200 pesos. This like golden tan color scheme of the mids. They also have these ones for 3,600, the black pair for 2,965, and this last pair for 3,095, with all of them being under $100. So if you are like an American or Canadian who experiences winter, come to the Philippines to pick up your boots because you're gonna find some really good savings. Damn, they got a triple black colorway of the Nike Air Huaraches, regularly priced at 5,800. Now they're going for 4,595. The only difference between these and the other ones is it has this like reptilian snakeskin kind of texture on the side and a dark gum bottom sole. They got some Nike sock darts going for 3,695 down from 6,700, and actually resold these on eBay for $240 Canadian back then when they came out originally. These are really clean. This is probably one of the best colorways of the Nike Lunar Charge Essentials I've seen so far, going for 4,595. It's all black, but then bam, you have that hit of gold right there on the side, and that's a really clean OVO Drake accent to it. And I think this is the New York Knicks colorway of the Nike sock dart. These are going for 3,700. I know this is a shoe they're just putting out new colorways of. They have the Nike Airspan 2. I don't think it's a new shoe, like it's a retro Nike running shoe, but these are going for 3,995 down from 4,995. Pink, blue, definitely a great summer shoe, but I don't know about wearing these in the fall. 4.3K for these black and gold Air Max 90s, 2.5K for these Air Max 90 Ultra Essential 2.0s. They got this like burgundy color scheme of the Flyknit Air Max 90s. These are going for 3,900 down from 8,100. That's about half price. Some really solid discounts on these. And they also have them in this gray color scheme as well, something more wearable for daily use. They have a triple black colorway of the Air Max 90s going for 3,695 pesos, and they have this other really clean colorway of the Air Max 90s with hits of this green on the back. I like these a lot, and these are going for that same price of 3,695. Some really good prices here today at the Nike outlet. Going through the hash wall now of the men's size 7s and youth sizes. They have these 3s that look like the Air Jordan Fear 3s. These are going for 5,595 pesos. That's only 10% off, so not too much in savings there. These are pretty fire, I gotta say. They got this red camouflage Air Force 1. They got them in gray as well. These are going for 3.5K, and these are going for 3K. Some black and pink Air Jordan 5s going for 4.4K. And the final shoes I gotta show you guys for today at the Nike outlets are these Air Maestro 2 LTDs, going for 4,795 pesos down from 5,995. They also have them in this black colorway too for 4.8K. And I gotta say, this like white, black, and orange colorway, really cool, and definitely like a Halloween kind of vibe for the fall. So that's gonna wrap up our time here at the Nike outlets in Lapu-Lapu. Next up, we have the Adidas store right behind me. So we're here at the Adidas outlet again, and I gotta say there's not much that has changed since the last time we were here 2 weeks ago, but there's like 2 sneakers I want to show you guys. They just added these camouflage tubular shadows for 3,895 pesos. Pretty cool. It has this like suede material on them, and they also added like an Arctic camouflage colorway as well, also going for 3,895. Not a big fan of these, but I just still wanted to show these to you guys regardless. I think these are all right, but I wouldn't wear either of them. So yeah, if you guys really want to see what they have at the Adidas outlet here at Lapu-Lapu, check out the first Lapu-Lapu outlet vlog. I'll leave a link down below along with the playlist for all the other Philippine travel vlogs. So we did the Nike outlet, we did the Adidas outlet, but one outlet I didn't show you guys last time we were here is the Converse outlet, and they had some really good prices. So I'll show you guys the Converse outlet, and that's gonna wrap up the vlog.
just wanna be your man, girl. So I just wanna be your man, girl. So I just wanna be your man, girl. So
So that was the Converse outlet, and there really wasn't too much like heat inside. There usually isn't too much heat inside of a Converse outlet. Now we are going to wrap up the Philippines travel vlogs very soon, so I figured I'd throw in a traditional Filipino dessert into the vlog. And if you guys haven't had halo halo, you guys need to try it. And if you're Filipino, or if you just made it to this far in the video, comment down below halo halo gang, and let me show you guys what halo halo is. There you guys go. That's gonna wrap up the final Philippines travel vlog. If you guys enjoyed this series, please smash that thumbs up button down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss another video. If you guys did make it to the very end, of course, also let me know your thoughts on these vlogs. If you guys enjoyed them, if you guys want more of them, should I come back to the Philippines? Where should I go, or where should I travel next? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys haven't yet followed me on Instagram, it's at SneakerTalkCA. But with that said, I also wanted to show you guys the nighttime view from the rooftop of my condo to sign off the travel vlog. So I'll head upstairs right now, show you guys the view. And yeah, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for watching these Philippine travel vlogs and being a part of it. I had a lot of fun out here in the Philippines, and every single day has been an adventure. So if you guys want to relive the adventure with me, feel free to binge watch the other travel vlogs. I'll have them all in one playlist. You can watch them with your family, you can watch them with your 42 cousins, you can watch them by yourself with some, you know, instant noodles or something like that. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.